In front of me is Poco X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Close in the pop-up in order to disable location. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location of my Poco is off. If you wish to turn it on, click on the same now gray shortcut. You can also go into settings instead. Scroll down and look for location section. Then click on it and swipe up. Finally, you can manage it by tapping on this switcher next to location access. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!